We have another property for sale. This is 1 hectare or 10,000 square meters plus. It's a clean title at 250 pesos per square meter. Actually, this is reblog, no? 10,430 square meters along concrete road and few minutes away from the airport and Ubay Community College in Ubay, Bohol. So this is ideal for commercial, residential, and boarding house or boarding house redevelopment, because it's really few minutes drive or few minutes away from the Ubay Community College. So located in it's located in Tuburan. I said it was Kamambugan, but it's really Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. So Barangay Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. So the property is good, no? It's really good. Ang sitwasyon sa property, guys, ay ang kalsada medyo nasa itaas ng kaunti at sa yung lupa nasa baba, pero flat terrain siya at may portion na sloping at the back portion of the property. So parang nag-slope siya. So this is not flooding area or not flooded area, because there is a portion that the water will go down. So mas mataas pa ng kaunti yung level ng flat terrain dito. The only thing is the road is on the higher level, pero yung lupa medyo nasa low level, pero yung palikod, yung at the back portion ay nag-sloping na. So meaning if there is a strong rain, sample malakas na ulan, dadaloy lang yung lupa, tubig palikod. And I noticed also that there is a portion of rice field. So di man yan irrigated, pero pwede pa rin natin taniman. So for me, guys, this is a good listing and investment. So while it's really very affordable, the price is 250 pesos per square meter, so something like 2.5 million pesos. So this is the Ubay Community College. Makita natin yung mga estudyante. So all the way are concrete road na talaga, guys, no? Maganda na ang natin dyan sa Ubay. So malapit lang sa airport, tsaka yung airport na yan, may balak ang gobyerno na i-utilize talaga yan. So isa pa sa pinakamalapit dito, yung fire department, rural health unit, at saka yung jail district, nandyan. At dito sa bandang malapit sa airport, may itatayo raw na pinakamalaking fire department. So yun po, pinabalik-balik natin yan kasi maganda talaga ang natin sa Ubay. So aside from that, no, may mga malls na rin na itatayo or mag-open na yung Pure Gold Mall this coming March. So very progressive. Ubay has 45 barangays, is number 1. So first class municipality in Bohol province, northern part of Bohol province. Then connecting to there's a ferry also going to Cebu and Leyte Island or Leyte province. So aside from Leyte province, so there is a connection, no, going to Manila. So diyan po magdaan ng mga barge. Sakay lang ng barge yung mga bus galing sa Manila. So ito po yung airport guys, no. Malaki po yung airport, no. So may maraming establishment na itatayo dyan, okay? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.